Hey guys, and welcome back to the Urban Cook. How do you like my new bottles? They're pretty good, aren't they? I like them anyway. Got olive oil, red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, and I don't know yet. But what I'm going to do today is a little review of a rice cooker. But before that, what I'm just going to show you this. This is another little review of when I do live stream and I video as well. I'm always tripping over like two tripods. So what I've done, I've searched a bit online and I've found this. This is my video camera. This is my webcam I use for the live stream. And I found this bracket that fits on the tripod so I can clamp the video camera and the webcam on the same tripod at the same time, which I thought was pretty good. It's about £8 on eBay. Nice aluminium, it's got fully adjustable, you slide them in and out and all that good stuff. So I thought I'd just show you that bit, and now we get on to the main review. So see you soon. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do another review of a rice cooker, and this is the one. This is Russell Hobbs again, and I'm full disclaimer again, I'm not sponsored in any way to promote this. I wasn't given it, I had to buy this. So I bought one of these because I was having trouble cooking the rice in the pans, because basically my pans are stainless steel and the rice gets stuck to the bottom and sometimes it burns. So I thought I'd give one of these a go. So I've got this at the same time as the other one I got, the hand blender. Whoops. So obviously we've got our instruction manual, and we've got our another £50 wine voucher, which I did have a look online, and yeah, you do get £50 wine voucher, but the actual wine case is £116, I think it is. So this knocks off 50 quid, so you still have to pay like 60 quid for the actual case of wine. So yeah, okay. So inside this, nice glass lid, nice little spoon, nice plastic, nice steamer tray, measuring cup, obviously quarter, half and 3/4 and full, a nice bowl with I don't know if you can see that on there, it's got a lot of measurements down there for I think it does up, well, it says here it's 1.8 litre and do up to 10 cups of rice at a time. So we've got our main part. I think it's sort of a pressure thing. Got our bowl and our lid. It's got a two-stage thing on here. One's cooking and the other one's for keeping warm. And I think on the back it's got a on-off switch, and again a short lead. So okay, so we'll get around that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some sushi rice in here, and obviously I'm going to do some sushi. So what I'll do, I'll get the rice out, get it sorted, and we'll bring you back. Okay, so we've got our rice. Two cups of rice. And what we do, we get the water. I'm going to rinse this out till the water runs clear. Add 3 cups of water and take that over to the cooker. And put the lid on and see how we go with that. So we'll come back when that's done. Okay, so while we're waiting for the rice, we'll cut up some salmon, carrots, some cucumber and some seafood sticks. So we'll crack on with those and see you in a minute. Okay, so we get our rice that's been cooked in the rice cooker. Oops. Which seems to be all good. So I'm going to take this rice out. Let me just spread this out so it's we'll let that cool down and then we'll have a look at it in a little while, so see you soon. While we're waiting for our rice to cool down, just going to line our mat with some cling film. Like that, and we're all ready to go. We just wait for the rice to cool down and then we can crack on, so see you soon. Okay, so the rice cooker has done its job. Really pleased with that. There's no sticking, cooked really nice, and it switched off and kept the rice warm, so I took it out, put it into another bowl, letting it cool down. Got some of this mirin sweet rice seasoning. Just going to add a little bit to this. Roasted seaweed sheets. Sushi nori, not a sponsor in any way, shape or form. So we'll be back in a minute and we'll start making these up and see you soon. Okay, so we're back. We've got our sushi rice all done. It's over here. Bowl of water. I'm just going to wet my hands a little bit. leaving about an inch or so at the bottom. We're going to add our carrots, cucumber, our fish sticks, and a bit of salmon. And so what we're going to do is pick this up, roll this in. Lovely. Just move that out of the way. Just get your knife in a bit of water. Cut this in half. Okay, so there we go. We've got our sushi. The review was for this, the Russell Hobbs 19750 rice cooker, come steamer. Not a sponsor, by the way. And so what we done the rice. And we made some sushi with fish sticks, carrots, salmon, cucumber, a bit of rice, and then we got rice with just salmon, and this is the same as them ones, with a bit of soy sauce. Didn't have time to get the wasabi, but obviously you have wasabi and whatever you want with it. So, thank you very much for coming along. And we'll see what we come up with next. And I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Cheers. Bye. Have a good one.